Alrighty, here's problem set 6, which is on 1110. And for number 1, we want to find the area of the shaded region. Now remember that your sector area is theta over 360 times pi r squared. So looking at, let's say, the smaller circle, I'm going to have 30 over 360 times pi, and my small circle has a radius of 2, so 2 squared. So that's my smaller one. My bigger one, if I were to look at this one right here, I'm still going to use 30, so 30 over 360 times pi, but instead of 2, I'm going to use 6 squared. So I'm going to use this right here, and I'm going to subtract it with this right here, which is honestly going to give you 30 over 360 times pi. Well, if you do all of this, you're going to get D as your answer. So 30 over 360 pi, and then you have 6 squared minus 2 squared, which is about 8.4. For number 2, you want to find the arc length of BC. So you want to find this lovely thing right here. And the arc length formula in terms of radian, remember, it's just r times theta. So my radius is 8. Theta is 7 pi over 9. Just figure out what the decimal equivalent of that is. And that's all you have to do for number 2. And that is approximately 19.54, or A. Number 3, given the circle below, what's the value of x? So we want to figure out what x is. Now it gives us that this is 78, and this is as 150. We're going to use that 150, and remember, based off of inscribed angles, my intercepted angle is just half of the intercepted arc. Since my intercepted arc is 150 degrees, then my intercepted angle is 75 degrees. And based off of that information, if I know that it's a triangle, then 75 plus 78, subtract that from 180, gives us 27 as this lovely angle right here. So to find my intercepted arc, that's going to be twice as my intercepted angle, and twice of 27 is 54. So number 3 is 54. Number 4, we're going to complete the square to find the center and the radius of this lovely thing right here. So x squared plus minus 6x plus blank plus y squared plus 2y plus blank is equal to 6. If I'm completing the square, this is going to be 9 and this is going to be 1. And I'm going to add it to the right side. X minus 3 squared plus y plus 1 squared is equal to 16. So my center is at 3, -1, whereas my radius is at 4. Number 5, the diameter of a circle is 8 centimeters. A central angle of a circle intercepts at an arc of 12 centimeters. What is the radian measure of the central angle? Okay, oops. If my circle can be pretty enough. You're given that the diameter is 8. And you're given that some central angle has an intercepted arc of 12 centimeter. And you want to find the radian measure. Well, if my diameter is 8, then my radius is going to be 4. So let's say that this is 4. And I want to find the central angle. I'm already given that my arc length is 12 centimeters. So arc length is equal to r times theta in terms of radian, because it says radian. My arc length is 12. My radian, or my radius, is 4. And I have theta, which means theta is 3 radians. Now, remember that you may be expected to convert this into degree. So if I have 3 radians, then I'm going to have 180 over pi That's going to give me my degree. And for reference, that is going to be about 171.89 degrees. So be expected to maybe convert from radian to degree and degree to radian. So that was problem set number 6.